Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or deny app permissions to access speech recognition on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, in here, scroll down and tap on Speech Recognition. And any app that has previously requested to access speech recognition will appear here in a list. From here, you can tap on each of the individual app to grant or deny permissions to speech recognition. And so here, applications that have requested access to speech recognition will appear here. Speech recognition sends recorded voice to Apple to process your request. And because I currently don't have any app on this iPhone requesting access to speech recognition, that is why it is showing a blank screen right here. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.